going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vicky Glam. In today's video, obviously you can tell by the title that I'm going to give you guys a Christmas decoration rundown. Every year I do something different. This year I kind of went a little more than I would. I definitely want to get some more Christmas decorations. Of course, the pockets were kind of tight. I reused a lot of my old things and just did different things with them. So if you guys want to see what I did, how I decorated, then just stay tuned. Last year, or I think the year before that, I started off in the entryway, but today I'm going to start in the living room. So every year, of course, we have our stockings. I decided to put them along here. I was going to try to stick them on this new fireplace cover that I recently purchased. Probably going to leave this here all year long. I actually want to get these initial letters to hook onto each of our stockings so that we can kind of identify who's who. My sister had that and I thought it was really cute, so I'm going to try to find like something instead of writing names on them. Pan up, I decided to put the Christmas tree back up there. I think one year I put it over by the stairway, but I decided the two Christmas tree look is just really pretty to me, so I have one up there, and that one I kept neutral. The one upstairs, I actually used a plant pot. I saw on TikTok and Pinterest that they were putting Christmas trees in the planter, so I decided that I would try it, and it actually looks so cute, so I have that up there. The Christmas tree over here, I kind of did a different theme. I normally add more as a Christmas topper. I bought some new big Christmas ornaments. These are Christmas balls. I went to a store called Five and Below and they had these really pretty disco ball ornaments and they're huge. So if you can kind of compare the big ones to my little ornaments. So I decided to make some big ornaments just so that you can kind of have a little contrast in it, and I saw that it was trending and I actually like it, so it kind of makes the tree look a little more special, I guess. And then I added the train. I'll insert pictures because this kind of doesn't look good right now. These are just fake presents that I wrapped up. I put a white blanket that I got from IKEA as like snow, the Christmas train around it. We actually moved the chairs that we had over here and put presents there because, you know, we kind of had a lot of presents. And then the Christmas tree up there, we just left it as cream and gold color. I put white poinsettia flowers over there. Over here, I put just one little wreath. It's not even. One of the kids probably messed around with it, but it's not centered. So like I want to add maybe one or two things over there, and then that will be complete. Maybe we'll do that next year. So here is my little entryway. So my front door is over there, and then I have these nice little refreshers right here. So peppermints, and then these are caramel candies. I don't really like caramel candies. My husband is a fan of those. And then I have these set to a timer that goes off like around 5 p.m. because that's when it gets dark. And it has a really nice effect. I'll probably insert a video showing how those look, but I thought that was kind of cool to have this little Christmas spot. I did have this sitting here. This is so cute. My son's school made these little elf on the shelf and I thought they were so cute, especially with the face kind of creep, and he's like reading a book. So isn't that cute? I have that just sitting here. Over here is just really nothing. It just has my 7 rules of life. Let it go, ignore them, give it time, don't compare, stay calm, it's on you, and smile. And it's funny because everyone that comes over stands over here and reads it, so it's kind of cool. Okay, let's go into the kitchen area. Okay, so right here, my niece got some birthday flowers, and so I put them up here. Our neighbors gave us this red poinsettia. A friend of ours gave us the pink poinsettias, which I had no idea that they had pink poinsettias, so I decided to make a cluster of them right here, and it's so cute. Hopefully it'll last a long time. I'm kind of learning how to take care of poinsettias now. Before, I didn't have it in the sun, and they were like dying crazily. Moving on to this area here, I actually had this little wreath here above my vent hood, but I took it down and put it down here. I was kind of indecisive on where I wanted them to go. I did have this in a bow shape, but I think everyone was getting tired of it because it wasn't usable. I just took it apart and then put this here. So nothing special over here. I think another year I am gonna I'll probably do this cupboard right here and make it a present. So I'll take a red ribbon and then make it look like a present and then put like a bow in the middle or something, because I saw some on Pinterest and I thought it was so cute. This I actually used as like a table piece, I guess. This used to be a table topper, but I decided to just put it in here and make it look cute. That was pretty easy to do over there. Over here, I have these cute, they're actually eucalyptus, and then I just mixed some Christmassy stuff in here and put them in there. I thought they were kind of cute because it's not like the typical red or green Christmas. It has like a blue Nautica theme-ish. Pretty much that's all that we've got over here. So now we're gonna move along into the entryway. Okay, so right over here is the entryway. I have always wanted to do garland along the stair, and I am in love with it. It was super hard to do because I didn't have certain things, so I'm prepared more this year because I'm gonna do some after Christmas sale shopping. I have to add another piece up there because it's kind of like a empty space. So over here, I actually tried to add some more here. So it kind of looks ghetto because the zip ties are all small, but I had to do with what I had. Just added this garland. It has nice little lights on here, twinkly lights. Certain times I'll turn them on and have them have a nice Christmassy look here. Over here is my beautiful table that I actually made. So the pieces were from IKEA. The actual table is from IKEA, and everything here is from IKEA. And I made this cute table. I was inspired by, I think it was from Pottery Barn or West Elm. It was a really nice table. I think it was an $800 table, and I'm like, I'm not spending that kind of money on a small little table. And over here is where I had the small Christmas tree the other year, and I decided to actually just leave it there. So I left my olive tree there. Some of those sticks that have lights on them over there. Of course, we got Santa over here, and then these are all the Christmas cards that we've gotten from people, and then the money envelopes, the Chinese envelopes that we got from my mom and my sister. That's pretty much all over there. I tried to make this little bow, couldn't figure it out, so it looks ghetto-fied. I have a couple of cute little Christmas stuff over here. I used to have lights on in there, but I didn't do it this year. So over here, just some little bells, just because I know something needed to be over here to kind of even everything out. I really want to get really long candy canes and put them on both sides. So I'm gonna look for those pretty soon and see what I can do with that. On the stairway, I added the Christmas presents over here. They were actually in a different spot last year, and I decided to put them over here this year. Next is this really pretty DIY thing that I made. I saw it on Pinterest, I think. I was supposed to make this for outside. I was gonna make long ones and put them on both sides of the door outside, but I didn't because I needed more stuff. So this right here is all recycled things that I had previously. I didn't have to buy anything new. The garland is existing and everything. I ran out of the actual ornaments to make another one, so I actually decided to put it along this cute selfie mirror because everyone comes over here and they always take pictures along this mirror. So I decided to just put it there to have like this cute look, and I think it's so cute. A lot of people that I've seen do this actually kind of had a corner here and then they added more stuff. So that would have been cute if I would have had more of the things with me, which I didn't. I'm so sad about that. And then I'll just show you outside what I did. We are outside in the little porch area, and I don't know why this thing always gets miscentered, but I got that from Costco and it was like $7. So, but this one I kind of mixed in what I had. I don't think I really like this, so I'll hurry up and put it away. But I just have this little Christmas decoration ordeal over here. Next year I'm gonna make the DIY pool noodle things over here, and so I can have pretty stuff there. Next is our little reef. It's like a bigger version, and it comes on, it has self timer, and I just like it because it's big. I didn't add anything to it, but I probably will for next year. And that's all. All right, well, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little Christmas decorations. I didn't really do anything in my lash room, so I won't even bother showing you that. But you know what they say, we're done with the tour, so you can get the fuck out. Bye. Okay, so every year we do our, what the heck are these called?